Buenos días, good morning, hello, how are you? Aquí estamos una vez más con Calentar y Hartar. And I'm here with special guest today, award-winning author, Bernie Molina.
Hey, what's up? It's great to be back here with you, homie.
It's great to be back in the kitchen with you. I'm excited. What are we making today?
Bueno, pues, today we're gonna make some Tacos Dorados. Yes, tacos. I am Salvi-Mex, after all. They're gonna be super delicious, and I can't wait to get started with you.
Ooh, we got some Millennial señora hacks for you.
I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy meal that tastes like it took a long time to make, but in reality, we're gonna do it on the quickness.
Millennial señora hacks.
You know
Let's
it.
do this. And what kind of tacos are we gonna make today?
Well, let me show you. We're gonna use some frijoles bien ricos. When I was growing up, my mom would often make tacos dorados stuffed with beans. It was a great way to repurpose leftovers. I think it's a great way to use these delicious beans too. Because like I said, my mom would always tell us, si tienes frijoles, tortillas y queso, tienes comida.
And we're using black beans. That's my favorite.
Well, that's why I picked them out for you, man.
That's
why I got them for you. Exactly. I could eat this from the spoon. This smells so good. I could like lick the spoon right now. This may or may not be useful or relevant, but there's always a tortilla test.
There's a tortilla test.
Yeah, so when you roll or fold tacos, the tortilla has two sides, the face and the butt. That's what my mom calls it. So this is
the face and the butt of a tortilla, in case you didn't know.
So see, like if I fold a tortilla this way, look at that, versus if I fold it this way.
Oh, Millennial
apart.
señora hacks, everybody. I didn't even know that.
And you can feel the texture of it. So do you see, I mean,
you
like,
kind of see it.
yeah, you can see the texture difference, right?
Here, let's show people.
Yeah.
The face and the booty.
That's what my mom called it, okay? Some people like to microwave the tortillas beforehand to make them more pliable. You can, but if you work quickly enough with oil, you don't need to do that. The fresher the tortillas are, the more pliable they will be too. So we're going to grab our beans.
And again, we're just store-bought stuff. This is Calentar y Hartar.
Exactly. I'm gonna be generous with my tacos today. We're gonna add a lot of beans in there. And so you it's like clay or something. You kind of just mold it and then kind of bathe it in the oil and let it fry. The ideal frying heat for your oil, you want like medium to medium high heat. At the end of the day, it's what you're comfortable with. So if you feel like a little intimidated by medium high heat, then go for the medium. It might take a little longer, but
what is the heat that's not gonna go?
Medium. Whatever you do, don't.
That's what I'm working with. I want medium heat.
And you could always test the oil with one tortilla before you get started too, for the safety. So, you saw me scoop it out with the spoon, put it in a bowl para que se mira muy nice, muy pretty. But truthfully, when I'm cooking at home for my family and everyone's hungry, I just do it quick like this. I just take it out of the bag. Yeah, see? And then you dirty less dishes. It's less utensils for you to wash at the end of cooking the meal.
Millennial señora hack
I'm
number
telling
49. And these beans are fully cooked.
Yeah, exactly. The beans are already refried. They're already cooked. So what we're doing is just kind of crisping up the tortilla and warming up the beans. You want to evenly distribute the tacos throughout your pan, right? You don't want to overcrowd. We don't want to steam them, right? We want to fry them.
Social distancing.
Exactamente, for safety.
So how do you know this one's ready to turn?
I would say Spider-Man has the Spidey sense, señoras have the señora tingly sense, right? No, but if you kind of touch it, see, this part of the taco right here, this is gonna get golden along just like the bottom. So if I kind of touch it with my tongue, I can feel that the texture feels different than the top part. Oh yeah, and so use logic, right? The first one that you put into the oil is probably gonna be the first one that's ready to get flipped, right?
Ooh. Tacos Dorados. I'm gonna do a special request because I want some of this cheese in with the beans.
For you, my friend, anything.
Thank you.
All right, let's see here. We're gonna do it on the right way. So we're gonna squeeze the frijol in there, kind of spread it around. So you can kind of reminds me when you make tamales, you kind of just move the masa around too, right?
Chew. Si sabes.
I can get married, and I'm gonna crumble this cheese right in there for you. So
I'm over here asking for special requests.
Hey, for Jose, anything.
Can you add some of this?
And then this is where we get a philosophical crisis. does this now go, is it still a taco or now is it a quesadilla?
Ooh, good question. It's the Jose special.
It's the Jose special, I like that. You know, I gotta hook you up. So we're gonna top it with some chimol, AKA pico de gallo, with some delicious queso that has some chili in it, and of course, that rich, cheesy crema. It just wouldn't be a taco without all those ingredients.
Salvadoreña.
Yes, the best. Bueno, pues amigo, con mucho amor, here is your special taco with that cheese, your favorite, right up in there.
Melted queso frijolero.
Yes. I got my taco right here. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers. Should we cheer our tacos?
Yes.
Let's dig in.
What did I tell you, man?
Good call.
You look so happy right now.
Oh my God. I've been looking at you making them. I'm like, oh, I want one.
Yeah, I think I need another bite too. It's quite delicious.
I just realized we had vegetarian tacos.
I don't know how that happened.
How did that happen?
So in my cookbook, I have the method on how to make these tacos dorados. I show you how to slow cook some beef, which can take up to 2 hours because the protein does need to be cooked before you fry up the tacos. So if you're pressed for time, but you still want protein, you know, whether you're a vegetarian or not, you just need like an alternative protein or something that's quick and easy.
There you go.
That's where you got the beans from, right there. Yeah.
This has been Calentar y Hartar. Thank you for joining us. If you want to learn more about Bernie or get her book, Herencia Cookbook, it's available on Amazon. If you want to get these products, they're available on AmerisolFoods.com, and you can use the store locator to find out where they're at in your local market. Or you can buy it online and use promo code HUZE20 to save you 20% off your first purchase. What?
Thanks for having me, friend.
No, thank you. These tacos are...
Are you ready to finish up these tacos?
Yes.
Let's do it.
You see me keep looking at the tacos?
Yeah, right?
I'm not even looking at Bernie, I'm looking at the tacos.
So like we ate them all nice on camera, but off camera we gon' grub. So...
No, hombre, qué fácil de calentar y hartar. Si vos querés probar estos productos salvadoreños de Amerisal Foods, los podés ordenar online y son tan buena gente que me dieron un código especial para que te ahorres 20% de tu primer compra. Buen provecho.